shall we shift at the theory part of this lesson. The first part comes under the product of powers with the same base. Here the same base should be necessary. This is necessary term. You can do only for this part for the same base. Okay, now look at this. These two having same base, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2. Look at same base. What is the base? You know base is 2. What is the index? Index is 3. Here index is 2. Now 2 to the power 3 you can expand. 2 to the power 3 you can write 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the power 2. How do you write 2 to the power 2? It is 2 into 2. Now here look at what is the answer final value. It is 2 to the power 5 because there are 5 2's. So you can write 2 to the power 5. Now if you think when you are multiplying two powers with the same base, if you multiply these index, look at this index. Please pay attention for my laser point. Here 3 and 2 if you multiply it is 6. It is not 6. What happened in here? They added index. So what do you supposed to do? When you are multiplying same base, you write same base. You don't worry about your base. You have to add the index. Addition you start when you are in grade 1 2 you can do the addition. So if you have the knowledge about the addition in grade 1 and 2, easily you can do it. This lesson, the product of the powers with the same base, you can do knowledge of your grade 1 and 2 because it is only addition. Keep with the same base. Shall we check some example? This is the formula. The base is a and index is m. So if you multiply these two, you can get a plus a into m plus n. You have to add these index. Keep with the same base. Keep with the same base. Now shall we check some examples? Here same base. So what do you supposed to do? You have to add these index. If there are no index, what is meaning of that? If there are no index, that's mean here 1. You have to consider here 1. In my laser point you can see here 1. So what is the answer? 2 to the power x to the power 2 into x to the power 5 into x. Same base you write. You add all the indices. Now you can see 2 plus 5 plus 1. 2 plus 5 plus 1. What's the answer? 7 and 1, it is 8. X to the power 8. Very easy one. So grade 1 students also can add these two values, these three values, isn't it? Yes. Okay. So shall we check another one? A to the power 2, b to the power 2, a to the power 2, b to the power 3. Now you can see here all the terms are not the same base. You have to figure out what are the same base. Here look at this a. The base a, these two are same. Check my laser point. Then base b also same. So what do you supposed to do? You consider same base a to the power 2, a to the power 2, b to the power 3, b to the power 2. Now you add these two indices. Very easy. Add these two indices. Then what is the final answer? 2 plus 2 it is 4, 2 plus 3 it is 5. Very easy part. Okay, next one. Finally you can write a to the power 4, b to the power 5. So here another one. This case there are some indices and connected with some numbers. So you have to consider first numbers separately, indices then. You can consider these two powers separately. Then 2 into 3 it is 6. And what do you suppose to do? Next one, you have to add these two indices. Look at this. Just you multiply these two numbers. You don't worry about the numbers because numbers not belongs this index. From the beginning I told you index only belongs to the given term. If it is brackets, this index belongs to also. So you just multiply these two numbers, it is 6, and add these indices. Then what's the answer? Answer is 6x7.